The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all the basketball enthusiasts all over the Bicol region. This is our fourth game, last game sa ating Sunday matchup. The Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the NCF Junior Cubs. My name is Rick Puerta, and together with me is L.A. Lapid. At kami po ang makakasama nyo ngayong hapon na ito.
And it's the final game of our triple-header Sunday matchup of the elimination round, the Juniors edition. Pero bago yan, partner, no, live tayong napapanood inside the ADNU Naga University Gymnasium and also sa social media pages, the One Media, TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page at sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At kanina nga, yung labanan ng UNC Greyhounds versus the STI Olympians, and makikita natin doon na the UNC Greyhounds might have secured a spot in the quarterfinal stages and the STI Olympians have been eliminated from the elimination round, at makikita natin sila ulit kung paano sila magbo-bounce back next season. But for now, the NCF Junior Cubs, the defending champions, versus the Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, who got their first win last week against the NPS Saints.
Yan, talagang aabangan natin dito ang bakbakang aksyon sa loob ng hardcourt, sa loob ng ADNU Naga Gymnasium. A matchup between the Junior Cubs and the Blue Dolphins. So gaya na ng nasabi mo, this is the final week of our elimination. So very important ang win ngayon on our both sides. So nakikita natin dito sa loob ng hardcourt na in a few minutes magsisimula na ang dalawang koponan na ito.
The Mariners Blue Dolphins donning the white jerseys, and the NCF Cubs, the defending champions, wearing the green dark jerseys. And familiar faces on our starting five here. And a few moments, tip-off will be given by the SBP Elite Crew headed by Coach Eman Faraon. And here we go. Tip-off. First possession goes to the NCF Junior Cubs.
Ayan, ball possession ngayon ng ating Junior Cubs. Bernabe, may hawak ng bola ngayon. No good on that attempt. And before that, we would like to ask for an update on our courtside reporter sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins, si Lois. Hi Lois, anong balita dyan?
Good afternoon, Rick and LA. Are you excited, Bicolada? Because I am thrilled to welcome you again to another Fields rivalry, only here in Bucal Season 5. We are live here at the ADNU Naga University Gymnasium to witness the face-off between the Guardians of the Seas, none other than the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the NCF Cubs. This is Lois Papa bringing you the hottest and the latest updates on the side of the Junior Blue Dolphins, live through Bucal's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. The hopeful Mariners Dolphins are ready to navigate their way all through the end of this season, bouncing back stronger game after game to show Bicolandia that they are a fierce opponent, ready to strike and defend the pride of their university. As we are only days away from the quarterfinals, the Dolphins are entering the hardcourt with more grit and passion than ever and hungrier to win this game. They dedicated their blood and sweat to bring home pride and glory to their community. So, will they return triumphant as the guardian of the seas? Stay tuned to witness this Edge of the Seat game only here on One Media TV for the 8 Naga. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Thank you so much, Lois, for the updates aside ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. As we all know, the Mariners Blue Dolphins have entered the quarterfinal stages last season, and this time they are willing and trying to enter the quarterfinals, but this time it's against the NCF Cubs. When you're facing the NCF Cubs, you need to actually double your efforts to actually try to get the game on your hands.
Yes, you're right, LA. We know that the Junior Cubs is our defending champion, so hindi na bago ito sa kanila ngayong araw na ito, this game. At para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng ating Junior Cubs, tawagin natin si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Good afternoon, LA and Rick, and to all the basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the last day of the elimination round for Bucal Season 5. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Cubs. For their preparation today, the Cubs focus on their defense and they emphasize that they improve their communication inside the court. According to team captain Vargas, in every training that they have, he continuously reminds the team that they should not be complacent. Dagdag pa niya, bilog ang bola. And as the quarterfinal approach, they maintain their discipline and focus. For today's game, we can expect that they will finish the elimination round with a good game and they will play wholeheartedly as the Tigers. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update aside the NCF Tigers and the good advice from their team captain Vargas and also sa head coach ng NCF Cubs na do not be complacent in every place they are doing and play hard like it's their last game, especially bilog ang bola. Anyone can try to take this game away from them.
Yes, tamang-tama ka dyan. Hindi talaga dapat maging kampante dito ang both sides, both teams ng dalawang koponan na ito. Kitang-kita nga dito na isa lamang ang kalamangan ng Junior Cubs kontra Blue Dolphins.
Tondo, no good there.
Now, Junior Cubs ball possession. Their team captain Vargas itatawid ang bola ngayon para sa kanyang koponan. The ball will remain on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, Vargas passes to Campana. Team captain for 3 and unang tres sa hapon na ito para sa Junior Cubs. And a great steal coming from Hernandez.
Now, the Dolphins on the attack. That's good for jersey number 10, Dukusin.
Now, a great steal coming from the Blue Dolphins here.
Again, fast break. No good.
A wasted opportunity para sa Mariners now. Hernandez passes to their team captain Vargas.
Great steal here for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 24. Extra pass to jersey number 15. No good. Pero ball possession mapupunta pa rin sa Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, double substitution on the side of the Junior Cubs. Mahilom and Manzanares is inside the court.
Padua inbounds the ball for the Blue Dolphins. Tondo passes it. Pero tatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Si Soriano, traveling is more fun with Naga and traveling tours. Naga yung live your dreams, create memories.
Now, chance for the Junior Cubs to add their score here. Campana. Passes to Mahilom and now Vargas. Offensive rebound pero depensa. Galing dito sa Blue Dolphins. 3 seconds to shoot para dito sa Junior Cubs.
Shot clock violation dito. Ang STF Cubs and ball possession will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now jersey number 24 of the Blue Dolphins. Great recovery by Tondo. Extra pass. Pull up jumper, no good. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 15, Ramos.
Now, Junior Cubs basketball now. Vargas to inbound, passes to his teammate. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
Padua. Passes to jersey number 10, Bukusin. Justin Bukusin, mid-range jumper. No good.
Too strong on that pass still coming from the Blue Dolphins here.
Tondo. Now, jersey number 3. Jersey number 10. What will the Blue Dolphins have to do here? With 4 seconds on the shot clock, 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 3. Pero, may foul dito. Okay, jersey number... Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 28, Bernabe of the NCF Cubs. First free throw of Badong, no good. Low scoring for this first quarter matchup, 4 minutes and 27 seconds. 5-7 ang ating score in favor of the NCF Cubs. Both free throws doesn't go in for Badong.
Now, Manzanares with the ball. Passes to their team captain. The ball will remain on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, Four minutes and 13 seconds remaining on our first quarter. And a 2-point opportunity para dito kay Bernabe on the side of the Junior Cubs.
Two free throws for Bernabe. First free throw. Let's go in for Bernabe. Pero bago yan mga kaibigan, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Havaianas, Bigs, and the Lee Sportswear. The Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Mera. The Pet Food Family, Aricos Pet Shop. Gold Drop Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living. Anjena Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMX Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NC of Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa Bucal Season 5. Moving back to our ball game. Blue Dolphins now. Ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Bado of the Blue Dolphins to inbound the ball. Jersey number 15. Ramos throws it away.
Back on the Blue Dolphins side. Passes to Tondo. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. No good. Offensive rebound coming from Tondo. And a whistle coming from our referee here. And a 2-point opportunity para kay Tondo on that free throw line.
Free throw for Tondo. Does it go in on that first attempt? 3 minutes and 26 seconds in the first quarter. Cubs, 2-point lead. Second free throw is good for Tondo. 1-point lead na lamang dito ang hawak ng NCF Cubs. Cubs ngayon on the offense. Ball possession will stay on the side of the Cubs.
Now Manzanares to Rodrigueza para dito sa Junior Cubs. Giba, no good on that attempt.
Defensive rebound by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Tondo, 3-pointer. Bounces off the basket, no good.
Now Rodrigueza passes to Gianan. And a whistle coming from our referee here. 1-point lead lamang para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Rodrigueza to inbound. A wasted opportunity here para sa NCF Junior Cubs.
Tondo passes it. Full court trapping here for the NCF Cubs. Gianan gets that steal. Gianan drives. Extra pass to jersey number 30. Rodriguez, pero 2 free throws will be awarded to him. As Tondo called for that shooting foul.
No good on that first try. But on his second try, makakakuha dito ng basket si Rodrigueza.
Blue Dolphins now on the offense. Jersey number 77, Dumalasa. Miscommunication there. 2 minutes and 27 seconds in our first quarter. Ball possession still on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Tondo drives inside the basket, floater shot doesn't go in. Dumalasa, 3-pointer. That's good. Spins, nothing but the net for Dumalasa.
Ayan, change favor tayo ngayon. 9-8 sa ating talaan. Offensive rebound dito. And jersey number 10. Mahilo makakakuha ng 2 points on the side of the Junior Cubs.
Bounces off the floor. And turnover. Ball possession on the side of the Cubs.
Now Rodrigueza. At libreng-libre si Gianan. Another 2 points was added on their point here.
Dumalasa. Going inside.
Another opportunity para dito sa ating Junior Cubs, pero Dumalasa with that steal.
Now Tondo. Block there by Manzanares. Manzanares gets that steal.
Now Rodrigueza passes to Mahilo. Out of bounds ball para dito sa ating Junior Cubs.
Jersey number 10, Tukusin of the Blue Dolphins. To inbound the ball, Adan is in the game. Tukusin now. Passes to Tondo. Tondo stops in the three-point line. Badong. Back to Tondo. Dumalasa attempts a three-pointer. Air ball.
Yan, 4 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Tondo. And a shot clock violation was called on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphin. Now Rodriguez to inbound para dito sa Junior Cubs.
Cubs now on the offense. Jersey number 10 passes it to the wrong man, Blue Dolphins. Badong now. Going inside the basket. No good there. Good save by the Blue Dolphins. Tondo, floater shot. No good. Adan, heavily guarded by Gannon. Blue Dolphins again on the offense. Badong spins, passes it. No good for Adan.
Ayan, 5 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Manzanares 4-3, no good. And that's it. That's the end of our first quarter here. 12-9 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here inside the ADNU Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still tuning with us. Alongside me is Rick Puerta, the voice of the Bucal Season 4 Volleyball. And it's me, LA Lapid. Ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Badong passes it to Tondo.
Back-to-back steal coming from these both teams.
Now jersey number 24. No good.
Rodriguez ang nagmamadali dito. Passes to Toka. And what a great connection inside the court para dito sa Junior Cubs players.
Ball possession ngayon ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ball possession, balik pa din sa kanila. Coach Brian Ayo, the acting head coach for today, on the side of the NCF Cubs. This man led the NCF Tigers to the championship on the Bucal Season 3.
Now, Toka to Campana. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Junior Cubs. Gianan forcing that and get a point on that last sequence.
Good start here for Gianan. Now the cousin blocked there by the big man of the NCF Cubs. Jersey number 27. No good on that 3-point attempt by Tondo.
Now, Campana. Itatawid ang bola dito para sa Junior Cubs. What a great steal. Tondo. Great conversion of points para dito kay Tondo. Now, another steal.
Turnover here for the NCF Cubs. And to give us an update sa side ng NCF Cubs, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and LA. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup at lamang nga ang Cubs dito. And for this quarter, they are reminded to lessen their turnovers and they're also reminded to have a good ball rotation for this quarter. They need to maintain their team effort and stay on their composure. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for this update sa side ng NCF Cubs. And they are in the lead this quarter, but they're still reminded by the coach to lessen the turnovers, especially the unforced errors they have committed during the past quarter, and to recognize also their man to create more open shots as the three-pointer by Tondo, no good.
And to hear an update sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphin, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Hi Lois, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Ale. The Junior Blue Dolphins are ready and really hungry and determined to win this game. They started off strong in the first quarter, particularly showing their improved team offense and strict 1-2-2 zone defense and 1-2-1-1 defense against the Cubs. With only a small gap against their opponent, the Tigers are expected to stick to their defense and reinforce their offense to finally lead the game. That is all for the first quarter updates. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Thank you so much, Lloyd, for that update on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now we are still on a low scoring as we reach the 7-minute mark of our second quarter. Especially magandang depensa pinakikita dito ng both teams, pero reminder ni Coach Stan to his players that they also should use the 1-2-1-1 defense, trapping, and also the 1-2-2 defense. Now ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Padua doesn't go in there. Dumalasa fires a three-pointer in and out. Now Badong, jersey number 3 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 2 free throws dito para kay Badong.
Ayan, LA, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga live viewers sa ating Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page. Shoutout dito kila Cristina Valenzuela, Aljon Pogoy, and Karen K.S. Caro na nakatutok sa atin live na live. Happy viewing po.
Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin ang One Media TV 48 Naga for making this live coverage possible, especially with the station manager, Sir J.M. Jacob, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, Technical Director, to Miss Irene Tosok, Sir Jameson Brenya, Sir James Cabarda, and to Miss Jan Naila Basales. Especially the presence of the President, especially the President of the Naga College Foundation and the Bucal Board President, Pres Mario Villanueva. Foul there. Si jersey number 8 of the NCF Cubs at pin.
Now, Sutpin on that free throw opportunity para dito sa Junior Cubs. No good on that first attempt. (20-14) sa ating talaan. A 6-point lead. NCF Junior Cubs. Kailangan nila ditong mag-double ng effort if they want to widen the gap. On the side of the Blue Dolphins naman, they need a great offense and defense para matabla ang larong ito at makakuha ng kalamangan sa kanilang kupunan dito.
Full court trapping here by the NCF Cubs. A great steal. Pero good ball recovery.
Grabe. Ang gandang depensang pinapakita dito ng Junior Cubs. That's why nahihirapang mag-convert ng points dito, LA, ang ating Blue Dolphins.
Cubs now on the offense to spin. To the outside. Jersey number 21, three-pointer, no good. Blocked there by the big man, jersey number 15. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense. No good on that fast break. Floater shot, does go in.
The ball will go on the side of the Junior Cubs.
Campana inbounds the ball for the Cubs. Borromeo to Sutpin. Inside pass to Gianan. 2 free throws for Gianan. 21-14 ang ating score. Still in favor of the NCF Cubs. 5 minutes and 17 seconds sa ating second quarter. First free throw, Gianan. It's good. Gianan. 2 for 2 here. That's good. 2 for 2 for Gianan. Blue Dolphins now on the offense. Dumalasa guarded here. Blue Dolphins ball here. Double teamed by the Cubs. Inside pass. Now Manzanares will try a three-pointer. No good.
Now, Blue Dolphins ball possession. Dumalasa. No good on that. Another steal coming from the Junior Cubs.
Good height advantage of the NCF Cubs here. Corner three-pointer. Deflects the ball.
Offensive rebound.
Now a steal here
Steal.
by the Blue Dolphins. Dukusin spins but gets that steal from Borromeo.
The ball will remain on the side of the Junior Cubs. Grabe. Ang gandang depensa talaga ng both teams dito.
Nine-point lead for the NCF Cubs.
Now Sutpin to inbound the ball. What a great steal coming from the Blue Dolphins here.
Tondo of the Blue Dolphins to De Leon. Tondo again, goes inside, stops, pops, no good.
Now Manzanares may hawak ng bola dito. Passes to Sutpin para sa Junior Cubs. And a traveling violation was called on Sutpin on that last sequence. Another wasted opportunity para sa Tigers dito.
Traveling call. Also for the Blue Dolphins, traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours. Naga yung live your dreams, create memories. Jersey number 21, Campana. Tries a three-pointer, no good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Passes to Campana inside. No good. Great recovery here by the NCF Cubs. Borromeo to go inside. Shoot pin, three-pointer. No good. Blue Dolphins now on the offense. Dukusin. Ball possession, balik ulit sa Mariners Blue Dolphins. And a timeout is called by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 3 minutes and 11 seconds in the second quarter. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here inside the ADNU Naga University Gymnasium for your second quarter. It's 23-14. Ang ating score, 9-point lead for the NCF Cubs. Ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Traveling violation here for De Leon. Traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours. Naga and live your dreams, create memories. Great match for both teams here. A good defensive plays for the NCF Cubs and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Shoot pin now of the NCF Cubs. Corner three-pointer doesn't go in. Jersey number 22 of the NCF Cubs gets that 2 points. Joe Meloria. Again, the NCF Cubs with that steal. Borromeo. Great steal by the jersey number 24, Manzanares. That's good. Badong of the Blue Dolphins will inbound the ball. What will the Blue Dolphins have to do here? 1 minute and 43 seconds of our ball game. Tondo guarded here by Sutpin. Tondo goes inside. That's good. Layup. Tondo thought about a 3-pointer here. Floater shot with jersey number 1. That's good for Sambahon. Blue Dolphins now on the offense. More possession of the Blue Dolphins. Badong. Now Tondo. Humingi ng screen dito. 3-pointer by Tondo. Napakalaying 3-pointer.
No good.
Borromeo. Mid-range jumper, no good. Great assist there by Campana. Tondo. Foul here. Tondo of the Blue Dolphins. Medyo nakakalayo na dito ang kalamangan ng NCF Cubs with a 12-point lead against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. First free throw. Tondo. No good, both free throws. Both teams now in penalty situation here as we reach the end of the second quarter. 6 seconds na lamang ang natitira. First basket's no good for Mahilum. That's good for Mahilum. Recovery free throw for him. Tatawag dito ng timeout ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. 6.53 seconds in the second quarter. A 1-possession ball game sa kanila. So what will they, ano kaya yung magiging game plans nila sa bago magtapos dito sa second quarter?
Kung ano ang gagawin dito ng both teams. Now, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Mangkok's Kinalas, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solutions, Filipina Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Fully Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Annex in NCF Main, NCF Indoor Firing Range, First World Class Indoor Firing Range in Bucal Region, STI Naga, and NCF Training and Driving School. Thank you po.
Now, back to our ball game. De Leon of the Blue Dolphins will inbound the ball with just 6 seconds in the second quarter. A 1-possession ball game. Blue Dolphins now. Tondo gets that inbound play. Tondo fast break here. Blocked there by Kianan. Nambibigla si Kianan doon on that block. One second here. Badong picks up. The impact play, no good. That's gonna be it for our second quarter. 34-21 in favor of the NCF Cubs. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
We are back here at the ADNU Naga Gymnasium for our second half. 34-21 sa ating talaan at abante pa rin dito ang NCF Junior Cubs.
Good offense on the offense, Tondo. Signaling a player to his teammates. Tondo inside pass. That's good. For jersey number 20 for Padua. Tondo, floater shot, doesn't do it.
Now, Vargas, pinasa dito. Bernabe to Manzanares rather, and makakakuha ng 2 points here.
Tondo. Oh, the Blue Dolphins here. Stripped away. Tondo goes inside, passes it to the outside. Now, Dukosin.
Now, Junior Cubs basketball. And a whistle coming from our referee here.
Eight minutes and 39 seconds here for our third quarter. It's the Junior Cubs basketball. Now to give us an update all the way from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, tawagin natin si Lois. Hi Lois, ano balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Ale. The second quarter was filled with tension as the Blue Dolphins hustled to gain a strong advantage against their opponent. The team continuously improves their primary and secondary offenses. In addition, they are expected to strengthen their defense with tough screens and quick steals. They continue to strike hard and defend the ball against their opponent. Will they finally find their momentum and take over in the second half? Stay tuned at One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV to see how the game ends. That is all for the half-court updates. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins, yet the Mariners Blue Dolphins have to find their sweet spots here in order to create an effective offensive plays against the NCF Cubs. And also, lapit-lapit sila sa kalamangan dito ng NCF Cubs.
Now, NCF basketball. Gibo with the ball. Passes to Vargas, and Vargas for that long three, no good. Para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng Junior Cubs, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, LA and Rick. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup at patuloy pa rin ang kalamangan ng NCF Cubs. Coaches reminds them to rely on their system and execute a good offense and defense for this quarter because they are having a hard time on their offense in the last 2 quarters. They continue on pressuring their opponent, leading to their continuous execution of their game plan. Coaches also reminds them to double their effort, communicate inside the court, and perform their individual role for this quarter. Dagdag pa ni Coach Bray, huwag munang tingnan na score, bagkos pagtrabahuhan ang dalawang huling quarter ng matchup na to. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Kyla for that update sa side ng STI Cubs. And napakagandang advice there from Coach Brian na wag munang tumingin sa score even though they are in the lead. Have to work on the remaining quarters of this ball game.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
First free throws, good for Bernabe. Second free throw doesn't go in for Bernabe. Now the Junior Cubs here. Blue Dolphins possession here, Tondo. A 3-2 zone defense by the NCF Cubs. Vargas passes. Jersey number 7, great steal by Padua. Padua.
What a great steal here coming from Bernabe.
2 free throws again for Bernabe. 6 minutes and 8 seconds in the third quarter. Cubs still in favor of this ball game against the Blue Dolphins.
Again, Bernabe on that free throw line. No good on that first attempt. Offensive rebound dito para sa Junior Cubs. Now Hernandez is back on court para sa Junior Cubs. What a great steal coming from Tondo.
Tondo now driving to the basket. In and out there.
Now Hernandez may hawak ng bola dito. Passes to their team captain Vargas. Now no good on that 3-point attempt. Manzanares on that rebound. No good.
The cousin gets that loose ball. Now Padua, jersey number 24 of the Blue Dolphins, stops. Pops for the 2-pointer, doesn't go in.
Now Hernandez nagmamadali ngayon. No good on that.
Napakagandang depensa dito, pinakikita ng ating both teams.
Yes, kitang-kita dito sa ating hardcourt na nahihirapan ng dalawang koponan to convert a point here. Now Bernabe passes to Vargas. A great point conversion here. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang koponan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. 23-41 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live inside here, the ADNU Naga University Gymnasium. 4 minutes and 48 seconds for our third quarter. NCF Cubs, the defending champions, still in the lead here against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 41 and 23. Padong of the Blue Dolphins. Inbounds the ball to Tondo. 3-2 defense here by the NCF Cubs. Tondo goes inside. Now Dukusin, mid-range jumper, that's good.
Now, Bernabe ngayon. Itatawid ang bola dito para sa Junior Cubs. Hernandez, 5 seconds to shoot and tries for that 3, no good.
Padong. Padua. Good recovery there.
What a great steal coming from the Cubs here. Gianan to Vargas. Taking their time here. Vargas. No good on that attempt. Tondo with a ball possession now.
Tondo stops and pops for that 2-pointer. It's good. Tatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 3, Badong. Shoutout natin dito. Coach Cyrus Antilices of the Ateneo Golden Knights watching live here inside the gymnasium. This is the NBTC official qualifying tournament in the Bucal region, the Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League. First free throw for Bernabe. Bounces pero that's good. Doesn't go in on that second free throw, pero ball possession, balik ulit sa NCF Cubs. Gianan gets that inbound play. Gianan, no good. Pero Bernabe again. Foul ulit siya dito. And will be shooting for 2 free throws. Badong is excluded from the game after he committed his 5th and final foul in just the 3rd quarter. Bernabe getting a good bounce. That's good. First free throw. Kamusta partner? Ikaw naman ma-interview ko. Kamusta yung transition from volleyball to basketball? Is the atmosphere same kagaya dito sa basketball?
So far so good dito sa ating basketball league. Ibang-iba ito compared on the volleyball, pero you know us, we are stepping on the challenge and I'm very happy to be part of this basketball league and commentating on this basketball.
Especially during the volleyball games. Really unpredictable kung sino yung mga mananalo. Pero same din dito sa basketball. Bilog ang bola. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense. Inside pass to Adan. Jersey number 20 of the Blue Dolphins. Having trouble here. Adan. Foul siya dito and will be shooting for 2 free throws.
Ayan, 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining on our third quarter here. And still, NCF Tiger Cubs is leading the game here, 45-29.
First free throw for Adan is good. That's good for a second attempt.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Tiger Cubs. What a great points coming from Campana on that last sequence.
Nahihirapan dito si Tondo. Double team siya dito ng NCF Cubs, pero Tondo gets a good bounce on it. Gets that two-pointer despite having too much defense.
Gianan. And a block coming from Adan here. Talagang nagpapakitang gilas dito ang dalawang koponan LA.
Both teams really showing their big mans here. Pasagre to Gianan. Traveling violation dito, late whistle by our referee, and traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours. Naga yung live your dreams, create memories. Tondo of the Blue Dolphins now. Guarded here by jersey number 21, Campana. Gandang switch dito ng NCF Cubs. Bukusin. Nilagay pa sa likod pero layup doesn't go in. Tondo. Block there by jersey number 10.
And now, chance for the Junior Cubs here to get a point, and Campana with that great point conversion.
Padua now of the Blue Dolphins. Foul dito si Campana. Jersey number 3 rather of the Blue, of the NCF Cubs, Basagre. Tondo. Offensive foul dito ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. 59 seconds to play here for the third quarter.
Now, Basagre passes to Gianan. 55 seconds remaining on our time here. Still, Blue Dolphins ball possession.
Good defense coming from both teams. Defense is the name of the game for this matchup. Now Tondo to Soriano. Still here from Campana. Campana drives inside the basket. That's good for a fast break. 30 seconds left to play here. What would the Blue Dolphins have to do here? To Cousin. To Adan. Steal from Gianan.
Another one for the Junior Cubs, pero wasted opportunity on that last sequence. Now, Tondo. 10 seconds remaining on our third quarter here.
Grabing talon yun. Block again by Mahilum. Pero tatawag dito ng timeout ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. 4.18 seconds sa ating third quarter. 51 and 33. Grabing defense ang pinakikita dito ng both teams. Kanina pa, exchange of turnovers and also exchange of points. Pero, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa loob ng ADNU Naga University Gymnasium, and also shoutout to our viewers sa One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and also sa Bucal Facebook page na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating live coverage of Bucal Season 5. And also shoutout to our Bucal stats team na very accurate yung mga stats, na especially doon sa mga points ng mga players, and also sa assist, points, steals. And also shout out to the ACLC Hawks for upsetting the number 1 seed Shepherdville Junior Rams during their match last Saturday. 4 seconds to play here for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. A great steal. Great way to end the third quarter here. NCF Cubs still leading this quarter. Now up next, the fourth and final quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the STI Naga Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro. Fourth quarter na ng bakbakang NCF Junior Cubs versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
Pasagre now of the NCF Cubs on the corner. Outside pass to jersey number 21, Campana. Tondo now of the Blue Dolphins has the ball. Guarded dito ni Pasagre. Quick shoutouts tayo dito, partner. Shoutout to the NCF College of Arts and Sciences na nanunood right now sa audio-visual room studio of the One Media TV 48 Naga. Tondo.
Back-to-back steal here, coming from both teams.
Hingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Cubs. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and Rick. Now on the last quarter of this matchup, and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Cubs. During the huddle, they are reminded by the coaches that they need
Ayan, balikan natin mamaya ang update ni Kyla on the side of the Junior Cubs. So Tondo with the ball. Ball possession ngayon ng Mariners. No good on that. Rebound coming from Gianan. Campana. No good. Pero with the help of Basagre, makakakuha doon ng 2 points ang Junior Cubs.
Tondo now of the Blue Dolphins. Now, what a steal here.
Another steal. Pero wasted opportunity para dito kay Campana.
Tondo now. Tumala sa extra pass, jersey number 15. That's good for Ramos.
Ayan, balikan na natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng NCF Tiger Cubs for an update. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, LA and Rick. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Cubs. During the huddle, they are reminded by the coaches that they need to execute their system properly dahil tila ito'y nawala during the third quarter. Dagdag pa ng coaches, they need to perform well, strengthen their offense and defense because this is also a preparation for the quarter-final round. I witnessed how eager the Cubs are to really get this game and finish the elimination round stronger. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update on the side of the NCF Cubs. And yun, nabanggit dito ng ating courtside reporter. An advice from Coach Brian that they should finish strong in this elimination round. And we'll see if the NCF Cubs will take this matchup against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And moving back to our ball game, Vargas. Siyempre, para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Hi Lois, ano balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Ale. The Mariners Blue Dolphins are struggling to gain an advantage against their opponent, but the team remains resilient and determined to fight back with their 1-2-1-1 full court trapping and 1-2-2 zone defense. Meanwhile, the team continues to ferociously taunt their opponent with their offensive plays. Moreover, Coach Tan encouraged the Dolphins to exhibit a good fight and never back down as there is still a chance for domination. That is all for the third quarter updates. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Yes, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Mariners Blue Dolphins really struggling here on their offensive side, especially in the 6-minute mark. They should now set the man-to-man trapping full court against the NCF Cubs, especially killing the offensive plays of the NCF Cubs. Now everyone diving for that ball.
Now Basagre to inbound. (61-39) sa ating talaan, and still NCF Tiger Cubs is on the lead. 6 minutes and 1 second remaining on our fourth quarter here. Basagre passes to Manzanares here. Now, NCF Tiger Cubs, 5 seconds to shoot. Manzanares for that layup, no good.
De Leon of the Blue Dolphins passes it.
Mahilum long pass to Basagre. Out of bounds ball. Turnover dito para sa ating NCF Tiger Cubs. Now, chance for the Tiger Cubs here to have a point. Sutpin. May hawak ng bola dito para si NCF. Now, Team Captain Vargas taking their time here. 5 seconds to shoot. And a shot clock violation was called on the side of the Tiger Cubs. Another long pass here para sa ating NCF Tiger Cubs. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. Tondo with the ball. Now, NCF Tiger Cubs basketball. Vargas chooses Manzanares, but no good on that attempt. Offensive rebound dito. Now Toka. Tries for that at makakakuha nga ng 2 points para sa kanyang kupunan. Now 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter here. And still, NCF Tiger Cubs is on the top. Rodrigueza, but a block on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Toka will try, but a whistle coming from our referee here. And a timeout was called by the NCF Tiger Cubs. 39-63 sa ating talaan. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at the ADNU Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth quarter. Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live audiences dito sa loob ng ADNU Naga Gymnasium. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support. And also to our live viewers sa ating Facebook page ng Bucal and One Media TV 48 Naga. Thank you so much po. Shout out kay Kelly Francisco and Hans Tyron watching sa NCF School. Thank you so much and happy viewing. Now back to the ball game tayo.
Toka now. Tondo. Nice steal there by Tondo. Good for 2 points.
Now Sutpin, what a great pass to Manzanares and a point conversion para dito sa Junior Cubs. Amazing play.
Blue Dolphins struggling here. A great steal by the Cubs. Now Sutpin. Missed that layup. Again, great recovery by Sutpin. 1 minute and 17 seconds here on our fourth and final quarter. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Sutpin. Tondo of the Blue Dolphins inbounds the ball to Nasol. Miscommunication there.
Yan. Tiger Cubs ball possession na. And a great steal coming from Tondo here. Last 1 minute para dito sa ating laro. Basket count para doon sa last sequence na yon on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Abejero of the Blue Dolphins shooting for a 3-point play opportunity here. Just go in on that 3-point play opportunity. Long pass by Sutpin. Now Rodrigueza. Layup there. Clerigo. Now Tondo. Now jersey number 2. Nasol. Double dribble.
And now another opportunity here on the side of the Tiger Cubs. 29 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter here.
We can safely say right now that the NCF Cubs is entering the quarterfinals, the knockout stages of Bucal Season 5, looking to defend their title as the Bucal Season 4 champion, going for a back-to-back title again.
Another great execution play on the side of Tiger Cubs. And that's it. That's the end of our game. And NCF Tiger Cubs win this game. Magbabalik po kami sa ating best player of the game. So don't go away. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion. The NCF Cubs shows an exemplary performance and they are bound to the quarter-final rounds. With me is the player of the game with 7 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and 5 blocks. He is none other than jersey number 10, Ross Donre Mahilong. Hello, Ross. How does it feel na bound na kayo for the quarter-final rounds? Ano nararamdaman mo na ikaw rin ang best player of the game?
Masaya po kasi first time ko to sa Bucal and yun lang po.
At dahil nakita ko din kung gaano mo ginalingan, ano ba yung naging mindset or preparation mo na nakatulong sa'yo for this game?
Natulog po kami ng magap and yun lang po ang natulog lang po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Shoutout po ay lang kami and sa family ko. Shoutout sa kay Coach Momo and sa kay Coach Bryce sa mga coaches and sa mga atandoanes dyan. Shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout kay Joe, kay Walom, kay Abraham, kay Tim. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. Jersey number 10 of the NCF Cubs, Ross Donre Mahilong. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, LA and Rick.
Ayan nga, and our best player of the game is none other than Ross Donre Mahilong, garnering 7 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and 5 blocks. What a commendable player on the side of the NCF Tiger Cubs. So pinakitaan tayo ng dalawang kupunan na ito na magandang tapos ng laro dito sa araw na ito.
And congratulations to the NCF Cubs. They are through to the quarterfinal stages to defend their title as Bucal champions. And also congratulations to the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We are hoping to see them next season bounce back stronger and rise from the occasion sa mga susunod pang seasons. But that's gonna be it for now. And for Bucal Season 5, only here on Aragon Sports TV. By the way, I'm LA Lapid.
Yes, and I'm Rick Puerta at magkita-kita tayo next month sa ating quarterfinals bakbakan only here at Aragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.